Hello, my name is Olobisi and this is my exercise 7 demo. So I can just click here, delete. As you can see, deleted. So I'm going to delete newest book. As you can see, deleted. Then I'm going to try to update something. So let's try to update this one. So it shows the image, Python, and the price. You can change the price to 10 and the text to all you need to know about Python. Updated. And I submit. As you can see, it shows here, and you can insert the book. I say one, title of the book, I say Hello World, and the price is, so whenever I put QQ and I put submit, it said price must be a number. So okay, and I can change this to a number, and so there, and I can delete it. Yeah, thank you.